Okay, so we had a package show up from Amazon today. I've got my sidekick here and he's going to help me. And this is, right here so we can see it. This is an AKASO action camera EK7000 and it claims to shoot in ultra 4K. So we're going to get this bad boy opened up and we're going to check it out. Our other camera that we use for family functions, it was manufactured in 2010. It's a Samsung and it's a dinosaur in technology terms. So I started looking around. I went on Amazon. I actually searched GoPro and this came up first. It was Amazon's choice. It had 22,000 reviews averaging 4.5 stars. So I chose this one. It was $49.99. I've seen a couple videos where people have really knocked the performance versus a GoPro. I am not a professional videographer or a photographer or a cinematographer or a choreographer. I don't do this for a living and I don't earn money from YouTube. I just shoot videos for family functions, birthdays, vacations, parties, things like that. Maybe occasional social media posts. So I'm hoping this one will fit the bill. For the price, you couldn't beat it. So we're gonna get it open here and I'll show you what's in the box and we'll check it out.
There you go.
I'll set the box over here so I can see it.
Oh, this is so cool. I'm pretending.
Okay, so we got it out of the box and this is what it looks like. The camera's mounted up there. It's in there pretty good, so I'm gonna have to take this box apart to see how to get it out. All the accessories are inside here. It's got a variety of clips, mounts. There's even a wristband connected, I guess, by Wi-Fi or something. A controller to stop and start footage. There's a little small band, some twist ties, a cleaning rag. There's a USB cord, I guess, to charge. Let's see, there's a clamp. Let's see if we can find the batteries. All right, here's a battery. Nope, that's the charger. And then here's the two batteries, I guess. So we're gonna get this thing on the charger, let it charge for a little while. And towards the end of the video, I will take some different shots of different sequences, let you see the quality and how it sounds with wind noise and various other things. I'm not going to be bungee jumping or mountain climbing with this, but it might make some cool shots at the range or on the golf course or with the kids doing some various activities. So we're going to get it all out here and plug it up and we'll let you see some footage.
This thing goes here.
One note, the instructions seem to be a bit vague. It has a QR code to scan and hopefully that'll open up the big manual and we'll check it out and we'll go from there.
Look, it looks like a trophy, don't it?
Yeah, it kind of looks like a trophy.
Yeah.
Camera is in the center of my dash. I'm doing 20 miles an hour right now. It's not mounted or anything. It didn't come with a suction cup mount. I'm shooting at 4K, doing about 30 miles an hour now. Got down the road, just give you an idea of the clarity, how it looks. Drop it down to 25. audio test. I am about 6 inches away from the camera. Slight breeze flowing, partly cloudy skies, shooting in 4K. So here's everything that is included in the box. Of course, you got the camera. Then moving on around, it comes with a variety of straps to mount the camera in different applications. The charger with one battery, of course the other battery's in the camera right now. This mount right here is claimed by the instruction booklet or the manual. That's for a bicycle handlebars. Waterproof case. It came with an extra back to the waterproof case. I don't understand why. Probably I'll never use it. These two are mounts and some other hardware. If you're not familiar with GoPros or action style cameras, it doesn't take too long to figure out. Everything is mounted through screws and elbows. That creates an elbow joint. You tighten this or you tighten this on the camera. The base pads have double-sided tape on them, although I wouldn't recommend it for like a motorcycle or something like that. It just doesn't seem like it would hold up. I would go for the real thing, go get a GoPro, whatever their version of mount, whatever they offer, their product. Quick reference guide, don't even worry about that. On page 1 is the website where you can pull up the PDF for the full manual. That's the one you want. You got a remote, which you can use one of the straps as a watch or something like that. Push, stop, start, record. This little mini case here for the camera has a clip on the back. I'll probably use that quite a bit. And then it came with a bag of extra hardware, some zip ties, extra double-sided tape, clean cloth, some other stuff like that. So it does not come with an SD card. You'll have to buy that. It's recommended 32 gigabyte SD card. I got mine at Walmart for $9.98. Stick it in the camera, format it, it'll be good to go. There's a lot of complaints about not being able to connect an external microphone to this camera. That's not a concern for me. If it is for you, then you might want to look elsewhere. It's not that big of a deal to me though. So thanks for watching. Give me a like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.